Hey everyone, and welcome back to the How To channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how we can set up the hosting inside the app called Firebase. The very first thing we need to do is head over to this section right here, and where we already have our project created. Just gave it that name, nothing fancy. And the cool thing about this app is that it's actually integrated with Gemini. We have build, release, analytics, and AI. The one we care about is build. So inside build, we will find the app share, app hosting, authentication, data connect, and extension. And we're literally going to click to the one that says hosting. It will open a new tab, so let's wait for it to load. Once we're here, you will notice that if we go through this whole section, we won't see anything at the beginning. And that's because we haven't started using Firebase, not hosting yet. So we're just going to continue, go through the basic Firebase setup, hit next. We can do this using our Google account. Then we click Start Project, leave everything as it is, hit Next, and go to the console. Now here we finally have the Domains tab, which is what we really are interested. This is where we are going to add our domain. As you can see, I'm using Hostinger. You can use any provider like GoDaddy, WordPress, Google Domains, whatever you have. But for this example, I'm using the Hostinger account. So we go to domains, and once we are there, we can see my domain right here. I'm just going to copy, and now we are going to click Add Custom Domain. We paste our domain, hit continue, and even though mine might be inactive, so we are still going to try. Either way, it still works because Firebase will give us the setup instructions. We can choose quick configuration or advanced configuration. Both work fine. Once we're here, it's pretty simple. I always recommend a quick setup because, quick is quick. We are going to copy and paste these records. Then we head to our domain panel, go to settings. Then we are going to DNS. Inside DNS, we will see everything listed here. Don't copy these exact values. We only want the ones Firebase give us. For the A record, we paste the value Firebase provide, hit add record, and you repeat this for each value they give you. If you already have something similar created, maybe an old record, just confirm it and delete the duplicated one layer. Next, we do the same thing, but this time the type won't be A, it will be txt. For the name, we leave it as and for the value, we paste the code Firebase give us. And that's the first step down. Now, all the left is to leave and save the change, basically saving that DNS entry, and then verify the domain. The only issue is that I think my domain is inactive, so verification probably won't work. Let's check, and yeah, it's not activated. Since it's inactive, Firebase won't complete the verification steps, but you can still follow everything from here. Firebase gives you the easiest setup options. The advanced section, honestly, better not touch it unless you know what you're doing. Once you finish all these steps, everything will be easier and you will be able to use hosting without any issues in Firebase.